One of the things that I see people really struggle with is when they're thinking, I need to show up on LinkedIn, they want to produce content. There's a lot of conversation about it. There hasn't often been a lot of thought about why are you there? And why are you there right in this season? And this is going to change. So if you are there to get a job, the advice that I would give you would be different. If you are there to build community, so for instance, when I shifted careers, I needed to cultivate a Salesforce community. And during that season, it was way more important that I was able to connect with people than recruiters or hiring managers needed to know who I was or why they should be interested. And the approach that I took in that situation, and it's worked well for others, is I got involved in the nonprofit sides or with super moms. And it created this sort of softer profile that when I was reaching out to people, it wasn't seeming like I'm trying to connect with you because I want something. It was more, that connection being part of the community. If you're somebody that has a job and you have responsibilities, it's what are you trying, who needs to know who you are? If you're somebody that's customer facing, right? It's most important with LinkedIn that your customers view you as credible and accessible and interesting and trusted. If you're looking to move up in your career, and this is at your current company or at another company, it's really important that your LinkedIn profile doesn't look backwards. So what most people do is over time, they build up their profile and their brand, and what made them successful in their past jobs, it's usually irrelevant in many ways for their next job. So if you're thinking in terms of your next opportunity, what are the qualities, traits, experiences, skills that hiring manager, recruiter is going to be most interested in, or your boss or your leaders at your company, and go back through and make sure that the brand that shows up, the examples that you use, and I'll show you some more of those, that they're relevant to what's next. And so for me, it is just an example. My whole career has been in sales and lots of sales achievements and goals and beating the numbers by X%. Well, that wasn't going to be as relevant. So I needed to figure out, how do I bring Salesforce into that experience? Although it was honestly kind of a sliver of my professional life, but you have to kind of work those things. And I'll show you why that's important in a moment. So why are you there? What are you trying to accomplish? And then, what do you want? What do you want out of LinkedIn? And I think most people that I talk to, they are stumped when I ask them that question because they're not really sure. So if you want a new job, you want a promotion, you want friends, you want visibility, you want new opportunity, you want to change careers, whatever it is that you want is important. And that changes for everybody. But if you can say, why am I there? What do you want? And then what's next? And again, always keeping this, you want clarity, you want to be current and relevant to where you are now, but framing things and really building out for what is next. And that brand for what is next, what's going to be valuable for the future, is going to be really important.